We can use the quadratic formula to solve for x when our quadratic equation is put in standard form. Remember, a times x squared plus or minus b times x plus or minus a constant, right? This is plus or minus a, because these are just three terms that I'm combining. So it could be plus or minus for each of these, one of those terms, right? If I want to solve for x here, I have x in two terms. If I want to solve for x, I have to use the opposite value of b. Then I have to add and subtract. So I'm going to have two answers here. Okay, I'm going to b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, or that's b, square it, subtract a times c times 4. Okay, and then I'll divide that by 2a. So here is an example. All right, first thing to help you with all this is to list your a equals 6, your b equals 24, and your c equals negative 30. Okay, that negative sign's got to carry with it. Remember, this is a positive if it's invisible. Okay, so I can go ahead and plug my numbers in. X is going to be equal to two things. Zoom out a little here. X is going to be equal to two things. I can ignore this stuff. Okay, so x is going to be equal to, well, my b squared is going to be, or sorry, my negative b, so it's the opposite of b, so it's going to be negative 24. Negative 24 over here. Okay, and it's going to be plus and minus the square root of b squared. So what is 24 squared? It's 576. So 576 minus 4, my a term, times 6, and then my b term is 30, negative 30. Right, so negative 30. Okay, all divided by 2 times my a term, 6. Okay, so this is going to be the same stuff in here. 576 minus 4 times 6 times negative 30 divided by 2 times 6. Okay, so let's work our way out of these this radical here, right, using our PEMDAS. Okay, so x equals negative 24 and positive 24 plus and minus. We can do the bottom. Okay, now what is 4 times 6 times negative 30? Right, so we're going to do 4 times 6 times negative 30, and that's going to be negative 720. So this will be negative 720, and then this will be, which is minus a negative, turns into positive 720. Okay, and then this is going to be positive 720 as well. All right, so 576 plus 720 is 1,296. So it's going to be plus the square root of 1,296 and minus the square root of 1,296. And I'm hoping that that is a square root, and it is. It's 36. Right, this and this are both 36, and this is 36. Okay, so now it's x equals negative 24 plus 36, and sorry, yeah, it's why was it negative to begin with? Was it? Oh yeah, negative b. All right, so negative 24 minus 36, all divided by 12. Okay, so here's all that work. All right, so so 24 minus 36 is, come on, that's not right, 24, or excuse me, 36 minus 24. 36 minus 24 equals 12. Divide that by 2. So x is going to be equal to 6. And let's see, it's negative 24 minus 36 is going to be 60, negative 60. Negative 60 divided by 12. Divide that by 12, and I will get 5. All right, so x equals 5. Remember, these are points, so 6, 0, and y and 5, 0, right? Because y was 0 in our very initial equation, okay? Because this equals, if it was a function, y would equal that. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. Have a great day.